Hey everybody, my name is Foday. I am part of Talos Marketing Team. We are located in Riverside, California. We are also a DJI distributor. And today I will be unboxing one of my favorite products to use here in the studio. It is the DJI Power 1000. So let's start the unboxing process. So the moment you open the box, you're gonna be met with a power cable or power connector towards the right, and also the manual right here, as you can see. After that, you will see a foam protector, which is well packaged, by the way, to be honest. And then the device itself, which is quite heavy. I believe it is 29 pounds. Place this there. And this is everything that comes in the box itself. Now that the 1000 is out the box itself, let me show you some of the functions that's right here in front of the device itself. It comes with 2 volt outlets. These outlets actually we do use in the studio itself. I do plug in the key lights to make some of these videos. It also comes with an indicator right here. The indicator tells you whether it's charged well or if it needs charging itself. And the power button is right here. Once I press it, hold it, and you should see right now it says it's 57% charged. It's right here. And let's say you have like a camping trip, or you're taking this somewhere that you need for another function. The charging connector would be right here. And just like the beginning of the unboxing where I took this one out, you could simply just plug it in right here. It takes about 70 minutes to charge, so you could literally just go to sleep at night, wake back up in the morning, this baby will be fully charged. Let's say you're going camping again, or going to any other functions, or as we do in the studios, using it as like the main power source. It also comes with 2 other very important things, at least to me, because I use it often. It is 2 USB-C connectors right here, and as well as USB connectors. So this power bank is extremely beautiful. It's amazing. It's something, again, that we use a lot in the studio mainly because we don't have outlets at the back. So this is the main power source that we use. It is basically used for everything. It's mainly sold as a DJI drone charger. So you could use it for any drone for DJI, and it will just charge up pretty quickly, but it's very multi-functioning. So you could go camping, you can use it in the studio, you can use it for so many other things. And I highly recommend it. Again, I highly recommend it. But besides that, I do want to thank you guys for tuning in and seeing this unboxing of this beautiful device, one of my favorite devices that I use here in the studio, the DJI Power 1000. Again, add it to your wish list. Check us out also on Talos Drones. We have amazing products on that site. If you're watching on YouTube, it would be located here or wherever the editor puts it. If you are on Instagram, you will simply just have to go in the description and our link will be right there. So please check us out. We have, again, amazing products, as well as put something in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button or hit that follow button, whichever social media you're at, whether you're on YouTube, whether you're on Instagram. Give us a like, give us a follow, give us a subscribe, leave a comment there. If you don't like watching me, put a comment there. I don't like watching this guy. If you do love it though, send me something, because I do like my ego to be inflated. But in saying that, thank you for watching this unboxing, and see you next time.